morning, fellas. Yeah, I'm finna hit the gun range. Finna go meet my brother at the gun range. Go pick up my homeboy real quick. Right now, I'm just looking for attachment for my suppressor for a couple of guns, and today should be a good day to shoot. So. At Blackstone. I'm gonna go in here and see what they got. Heck yeah. Yeah, so me and Cal came to Ideal and what? Yes sir, yes sir. We got the rice. Yes sir.
You just gotta get shot now. I'm following you.
Yeah. My boy, tell him.
Man, I don't think I like the way that shit looked, man. It look better with the black on there.
Oh man. So now, shit, no more stops.
See that thick ass white lady up in there when we first went in there?
Big ass white lady.
Thick ass white lady in there.
Working?
Nah, I don't know if she was buying something. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Huh?
Why don't you just go live?
Yes, sir.
Can't go live.
Why?
On a GoPro? Can we go live on this?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, everything's set up.
I got a fucking tablet in there that can do what it does.
Go get it.
And hell, that's the crazy.
What I do with the truck?
Ooh, fucking he jumped. Damn, that was a damn 9-12 gauge too, though.
Yeah, I brought all my guns out today.
I told you. Go ahead and shoot the SUV down there if you want.
So shoot the SUV.
Yeah, don't do that, man.
We got the Springfield XD Compact. We got the F&N 9mm. We got the 12 gauge shotty right here. We got the 7.62 AK. Let's see what we got over here. Just another 7.62, right? Yeah. With the silencer.
Got my baby right here.
Yes,
Flat
sir.
shooter.
Got this one. Can't leave that out. Yeah, can't forget about the G19. What's this? Got another F&N right here. Ooh, that trigger nice, boy. Ooh, look at them sights. Ooh.
Yeah, we ain't bring too much out today. We just
a little bit.
yeah, well.
I think it's ready.
That sounds like without it.
All right. The impact louder than the gunshot. My shit ringing like a motherfucker. Cause we ain't got no ears on. That motherfucking cage loud as shit. Yeah, you should put some ears on. All I can hear is my motherfucking brain. Gordon. Okay. That shit was funny though.
Nah.
I wasn't trying to, for sure.
Yeah. Moot, you can shoot this too. I'm gonna shoot that motherfucker. Hold on.
All right, Kale.
Hold on.
You gonna put them on? It ain't loud.
Oh yeah, this one not allowed. This one not allowed.
This nigga scared.
Let me see the motherfucker. My shit still ringing. Oh God, I'm gonna be deaf as fuck.
Jump.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Smack one of them down.
It's done?
And for the barrel at the top.
It's done?
Hey, yeah, when y'all get it?
What you aiming at? What you aiming at?
I'm trying to hit them damn propane.
It's still louder than the 22s we were shooting though.
Huh? What you say, Cam? I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker jumping.
You hit it at the end.
I know I was tagging shit.
Yes, sir. Kel, make that motherfucker twerk.
That motherfucker shoot like my shotgun.
Shot shell. Look, you wasting rounds, man. Yes, sir. Kel, make that motherfucker twerk.
That motherfucker shoot like my shotgun.
Shot shell. Look, you wasting rounds, man.
Damn, that shit was loud.
Nigga ear ringing like a bitch.
I told you. It's off the drug. Go ahead. It's off the drug. Go ahead.
Gordon.
Okay.
That shit was funny though.
Nah.
I wasn't trying to, for sure.
Yeah. Moot, you can shoot this too.
I'm gonna shoot that motherfucker. Hold on.
All right, Kale.
Hold on.
Let me give me your motherfucker.
You gonna put them on?
Goddamn shit.
It ain't loud.
Oh yeah, this one not allowed. This one not allowed.
This nigga scared.
Let me see the motherfucker. My shit still ringing. Oh God, I'm gonna be deaf as fuck.
Jump.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Smack one of them down.
It's done?
And for the barrel at the top.
It's done?
Hey, yeah, when y'all get it?
What you aiming at? What you aiming at?
I'm trying to hit them damn propane.
It's still louder than the 22s we were shooting though.
Huh? What you say, Cam? I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker jumping.
You hit it at the end.
I know I was tagging shit.
Do that right there, right there.
What?
That motherfucker get dirty.
That shit brand new.
Oh, get dirty.
Okay, or something, Kale.
Fresh out the line.
What the hell you mean?
I was like, oh shit, we back. I ain't know you had one in there or not.
Nah, I got
I was about to do something.
Yes, sir. Put on mine.
Hey, bro, go ahead and take a couple steps down. That shit loud. I'm trying to do that shit.
We got a little bit of oil in there.
Where is that?
In the truck.
Yeah, that shit so damn gassy, bro.
Damn, I just dropped the fuck out that bullet. I don't know where it went.
Chill, bro.
Come on.
Damn.
Get in there.
It's in there, bro.
Icy Kale. This nigga nervous.
Hey, okay.
This nigga nervous. Y'all show me something. Show me something. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Come on, get right. Finish them off. You gotta slow down a little bit. There you go. Yes, sir.
Good. That was real good.
Real good, huh?
That was real good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What y'all think about it?
I got to get one of these.
Gotta get more time in. Gotta get some more time in for sure.
All right. Get at it. Hold on. Let me get it. All right. See, you had the slugs. Them slugs gonna destroy that shit.
Fuck that shit up.
So,
Did you hit it? Yeah. I'm shooting bird shots, so it's not gonna do much damage.
there you go.
First hit.
You missed it. Slow down.
Damn, it hit the same spot.
Yes, sir. What you think? What you think?
It's accurate.
I gotta give me one of these.
See. You hitting though. You definitely hitting.
You'll switch stance and started hitting.
Pause.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, motherfucker. Turn up. Turn up. I just put it on.
Just it's already one in the chamber. Just start shooting.
No, I'm just saying.
Push it in and start shooting. Stupid ass nigga.